What's going on, guys? So today I'm going to show you how you can set up a live chat feature on your WordPress website. So let's start. So first, log into your WordPress account, and from here go to plugins and click on add plugin. So once in your plugins page, go to search plugins and we can just type live chat. So here, there will be multiple plugins that you can actually use, but for this video, we're going to go with talk.to live chat. So let's choose this one and let's click on install now. So after installing, let's click on activate. Now after that, let's click on settings. And here it is going to load this page. Now you need to have an account with talk.to to use this plugin. So it is going to ask you to log into your account. So all you have to do here is click on log in. Now it is going to open up a new window where you need to log into your account. So if you don't have an account, just simply click on sign up. And here you can sign up with your email address. Now after that, it will say, seems like you don't have any properties yet. Head to dashboard to create your first property. So let's go ahead and go to the dashboard. Click on go to dashboard. So here you will have your live visitors. You also have analytics for visitors, chats, page views, and reporting. Now what you can do from here is click on create property. Now go to property name and input your property name. So let me just say this is sample, and site URL. So this is going to be the website where you want to use your live chat. Now after that, click on next. So below here it says you can also use talk.to plugin for one of the popular platforms. Now here you will actually have a list of platforms that you can use talk.to with. So let's choose WordPress and click on download right here. Now, once you're in this page, you can click on download. This is going to download the plugin to your local machine. So let's save this one. Now, after you downloaded the plugin, go back to your WordPress. All right, now let's go to pages. And here, let's add a page. So let's just choose a theme. Let's choose random one. Let's choose this one. After that one, you can edit the page and you can put whatever you want to put in the page. Now, let's try and view this one. Let's click on this icon right here to view the page, and let's choose desktop and click on preview in new tab. All right, so this is our page. And if you notice on the bottom right corner, we have this icon. This is actually the talk.to that we installed earlier. So let's click on this one. And here you can send a message. For example, let's say this is a sample. Now, when we send this one, we can go to our dashboard here. And right here, we can see that we have this message. This is a sample. And if you are going to reply to this one, you can just click on join chat. Now, you can reply. You can say hello. Let's say I am making a video, and just press send. And when we go to our view here, we have a new message and it says, hello, I am making a video. All right, so this is how you can add a live chat to your WordPress website. I hope this is helpful for you guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.